Hi beautiful Nono Hubbies, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl Nono Hubby, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about my braces. guys, I still have my braces on, and this month is going to be 2 months I had this. What is 2 months? Am I crazy? 2 years I had these braces. November 2021, 22, 23. This is going to be 2 years I had these braces. Seriously, if I had known I was gonna be having these braces for a long time, I think I wouldn't even be interested to do it. But maybe it's all good. It's even good I didn't know, because if I had known, I'll be kind of skeptic about it. So but guys, I'm going to be talking about my tooth braces journey and what it looks like right now, like the result of it right now. I'm not taking it off because I have to be satisfied with what I have before they take it off. Okay, so the thing there, some people have been asking me about my gap tooth, if I had it closed. Guys, if you see me smiling now, you see the gap tooth. I didn't have it closed. My gap tooth is natural. If I have it, or even if I try to have it closed, it won't be nice, because if you see somebody that has a natural gap tooth, there's this very tiny significant something. This is it's usually at right at the middle of that place you have the gap tooth. It can be big, it can be small, but it usually drops down. That is how you know someone that has natural gap teeth, because anything is doable right now. So if I try to close it, that stuff is going to lap on my teeth. It's going to come up and lap on my teeth, which is not making sense as well. Like, it's going to make my teeth not even looking nice, you know, not even looking nice. So my teeth, my gap tooth is still there, maintaining that stuff, which I don't know what it's called. If I get what it's called, I'll leave it on the screen here. Maintaining that stuff and leaving the position for it where it's supposed to be. Okay guys, so I did my tooth braces in 2021 November. I'll probably show you guys the clips here of the video when I went to do this tooth braces. And after then, I had done so many videos how I maintain my teeth, what I use, the flushes I use, the dental flushes I used to use, how I wash my teeth. I had a very different stylish brush for it that actually focuses on the braces up and the down hair, because your normal brush cannot go inside and outside. So many things, and trust me guys, it's just a journey. And right now I think we're getting towards the end of it. You can imagine if I had that very bad tooth, I wonder how long it would have taken. Maybe 5 years. I didn't even have much problem with my tooth. I had my teeth perfectly okay, but I had this milk teeth I took to adulthood on my here and here. So it was removed, and I just needed to close that space that it was removed from. And when I had that tooth, if I smile, you can't differentiate. You're not a dentist, I'm not a dentist, so you're going to know it's a baby tooth. But dentists, if you go to the dentist, they know it's a baby tooth, right? So that was just it, and this is what it looks like. So guys, you can see right now that it's still trying to close. It has not closed perfectly okay. It's still on the way trying to close, and whenever it closes and comes fitted the way it's supposed to be, and everything placed the way it's supposed to be, I'm supposed to, when I close my teeth like this, everything comes together. One is not supposed to be on top of each other. It's supposed to just be like this. So these are the things that they take into consideration before they finally know that you're ready to remove your braces. And also, there's something I was given to be putting up and down my tooth, and trust me guys, I don't even remember to do that. Oh my god, how will I get ready to take off these tooth braces if I don't remember to do the things they asked me to do? This is a question for myself. I forget. I have it under my pillow, I have it in my handbag, I have it inside the car, so that I don't just forget. I have it in the bathroom so that I don't just forget. But yet by hook or corner, I still forget to put it on. So how would it even, I don't know. I don't want to think about it. I don't even want to think about it. If we're going to remove these braces next year, fine. Anytime we're ready to remove it, we get it removed. But the fact is that I still have it now, and this is how my tooth is right now. I have not gotten to the end of the result, and once I get these tooth braces removed, I'm going to come back to this place and show you guys how my teeth looks finally, and possibly on that very day my braces is going to be removed. I would like to do a video on it. If it's possible to take in camera and do a video, then I do it and show you guys how these things are removed. But if not, I'll still come back here and do a video and show you guys what the braces looks like before and now kind of video. Okay, so that's just it, guys. That's just it, guys. Thank you if you have watched to this point, and if you've not subscribed, please try to do so. Give this video a thumbs up, because when you do that, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.